Okay guys, so good morning. The beautiful Thursday morning. You know naman here in the Honda car dealer, when you see girls wearing skirt, shorts, any kinds of outfits that will make their legs break and bang, think of a place like this. You see this Honda car dealer, right? Tapos all of a sudden the girl, when you see them, you see them wearing skirt, heels, makeup, diba? Si Tasha daw kagabi went from her place, which is here, came out, she stopped because she had to park. The guy didn't know this. She came out of her car in her shorts, rubber shoes, diba? Pag gym. She got in, someone tried to bang her, to throw her, to, to drill her, everything. You know what? One evening, she was already finishing the fight, diba? She was already finishing the fight. And then out of like 30 minutes, the guy tries to parang mapag-away-away, diba? Kagabi nga, si Tasha bumaksak sa isang pader. Tapos when they ran, they pushed her into this pole. Diba? They pushed her into this pole. After they pushed her, they began to throw her inside. Okay? Ang daming nag-away-away ngayon kay Tasha. Si Nika daw, muntik. Diba? Tapos no one in Metro Manila was helping these girls. One girl was left to die for. Si Russia, she came in, boom, thrown, banged her face, shot her leg, diba? Grabe. Hey, what's up? Nice. Uy, ikaw pala yun ah. Nice to see you, bro. Uy.
Kailangan ko na ano. Hello.
Oy, may kausap ka pala na. Hey, bro. NFU, bro. NFU. Wow. The guy from Green Hills. Nice. Saw that? Yeah. Okay. So what we're gonna do now, it is currently 9:14. We'll head back more 9:45, get ready for gym. Yeah. Too many mosquitoes. Let's go.